Yet another day for some Azure resource deployment. Welcome! In this session we have to create an Azure Key Vault, but not within the portal, not with the PowerShell, no, with the Azure CLI. We can start the Azure Cloud Shell on this icon, but today I will show you another way how you can create an Azure Key Vault with the Azure CLI with the Windows PowerShell integrated scripting environment. Really? Yes. Let me show. I have prepared the script. We will use the AC commands. This is the Azure CLI commands, but we use the advantages from the PowerShell ISE. First of all, we have to log in. AC login. I have done that. The next, I will know which subscription is on the focus. AC account show. The cursor is blinking on the line 3, that's perfect, and we start this line. Now I get the information. Aha, the subscription Visual Studio Enterprise Abonnement is on the focus. That's absolutely perfect. But if you want to change the subscription, then I will show you how you can do this. First of all, we have to know which subscriptions are on my portal. AC account list -- all. And then we get a result. But the result is not easy to read because it is in the JSON format. We use the argument -- output and table, so we get a table view. The cursor is on the right position. I start this line and then we get all subscriptions in a nice view. Microsoft Azure sponsorship, MSDN platforms, etc. Now let's change the subscription. First of all, we need the name of the subscription. For example, MSDN platforms. And then we use AC account set -- subscription, and then you fill in the name of your subscription. For example, MSDN platforms. And then start this line, and the focus will be set on the subscription. For example, in my case, Visual Studio Enterprise Abonnement. The next step, we have to create a resource group. The resource group with the name My Resource Group. First of all, we're starting with AC. It starts always with AC, then group, create, -- name. The name of the resource group is My Resource Group, and then in the short form -L, it means -- location in the long form, and the location will be West Europe. The cursor is on the right position. We will create a resource group. Next, we will create a Key Vault. AC Key Vault create -- name. The name of the Key Vault will be TW KV, stands for Key Vault, then demo 1975. The resource group, My Resource Group, and the location in the long term -- location West Europe. The cursor is on the right position. We will start line 13. And now we will create a Key Vault, an Azure Key Vault. And now we get an error. Exist soft deleted vault with the same name. The name is not unique. There is a Key Vault with the same name. The name of the Key Vault has been unique over the whole Azure portal. So we have to create a unique name. Let me change here the end of the name 1975 and then 2020. So we have to change the Key Vault name on the whole script. Let me copy this to the clipboard. Then I'm navigating to this function. It's in German, bearbeiten, and then it means we have to change in the script the name of the Key Vault, source name, and then the new name, and we will replace the name in the whole script. So this change has been made. Now we have a name from the Key Vault TW KV demo 1975 2020. Should be unique. Let's give a try. I hope this name will be unique and we are able to create an Azure Key Vault. It takes some time. I'm waiting until this deployment is finished. The deployment has finished. Now we have an Azure Key Vault. Let's create a secret with AZ Key Vault secret set -- vault name, our new Azure Key Vault. The name of the secret will be example password and the value will be this one. Let's create the secret. The cursor is on the right position and now we will create the secret. If you want to have a look at your secret, for example the secret, the value in plain text, use line 19. AZ Key Vault secret show -- name example password and the vault name, in our case TWKV demo 1975 2020. And let's have a look at our value. We get the result and we see the value. This is our secret in plain text. Of course, we can list all our secrets with AZ Key Vault secret list and we have to provide the vault name. Let's show all secret and here will be our secret. It will show up in a moment. Here are the secret example password. If you want to provide access to a secret, for example, for a specific account, you have to create an access policy. AZ Key Vault set policy -- name our Key Vault. For example, a UPN, in this case James West at tomwexler.ch, and then -- secret -- permissions get and list. Of course, you can also provide a service principal name. You have to replace the UPN with SPN and then the unique identifier from your service principal. In my case, I'm working with a UPN. The cursor is on the right position and let's create an access policy. James West, get the permission, the secret permission, just the secret permission, no key permission, no certificate permission, just secret permissions get and list. This deployment is already finished. Now I would like to activate 3 special options. The special options, for example, that we can use the Key Vault for deployment, that we can use the Key Vault for disk encryption, and that we can use the Key Vault for template deployment. We have to activate these 3 special options. The lines begins always with the same. AZ Key Vault update, the name of our Key Vault, the resource group, that's on all 3 lines the same. But in the end, there will be something different. We have for one option -- enabled for deployment, true. The other one -- enabled for disk encryption, true. And the last one -- enabled for template deployment, true. So let's activate these 3 options. I will mark the line 28, start. I'm waiting until this deployment has finished, and then the next line 31 and the last line 34. And now we have all 3 options activated. Let's check in the portal what we have done. I'm navigating to the portal, then to the resource groups, to the resource group with the name My Resource Group. Let's open the Key Vault. And first of all, secrets. Aha, yep, here are the secret example password. Do we have an access policy? Yes, we do. James West with just 2 permissions, the permission get and list under secret permissions. No key permissions, no certificate permissions. And also the 3 special options where we have activated through the Azure CLI. And maybe you have asked yourself, do I have to write down all these commands? No, you don't. I'm sharing all these commands in a simple text document. Start your browser, navigate to the GitHub portal, for example, github.com/tomwexler, and then you will find a repository with the name Azure _cloud_shell, and the script with all these commands will be here for you available. The name of the script: create a key vault.sh. And now you know where you can get all the commands, and I really hope that you also will be successful in creating a key vault with the Azure CLI.